this video, I'm going to show you how to set the input arguments for a script in CodeRunner, an excellent lightweight tool for writing and testing scripts. Here I have a simple shell script. It is configured to expect a couple of arguments to be passed to it. We can see if I run this now, the output looks rather empty. If I switch to another script that is set to just run this script, but pass in some arguments, then the output looks much better. But we don't want to have to write a script to run a script every time we want to use arguments. Fortunately, CodeRunner has an option to help with that. If I select the spanner or wrench icon, I get some additional options for the script. One of these is called arguments, and is where I can add the data I want to pass to the script. When I click close, the data I added will be passed in as the arguments for the script when I subsequently run it. Here we can see the details have now been passed through and the arguments are showing successfully. It's as easy as that. Until next time.